I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dog.
My name is Keeyli and I am back with another video. I know I told you guys that I'm gonna be consistent, and this is me being consistent, and this is me being consistent. So this is day 2. Remember I told you guys that I'm posting every day up until my birthday. So in this vlog, I will be showing you guys how I whiten my teeth at home using Apple Home Group Teeth Whitening Kit. I also use Zimba teeth whitening strips, you guys, and I absolutely cannot find them, but I did do a TikTok video doing a review, so I'm definitely gonna link it there. So I'm not gonna lie, I did wake up and I throw my jewelry on from Keeyli Collection. This is the Chanel necklace. And it comes with a Chanel bracelet. This bracelet, I haven't launched it as yet, you guys, but I'm gonna launch it soon though, actually. So I also threw the curls in my hair, but I'm brushing my teeth, I've washed my face, and I haven't done my lashes. Alright, so this is the whitening kit. It comes with wooden. Did I see it now?
Everything.
It comes with shout out to my little sister on the camera. Mwah, I love you. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, guys.
So it comes with this wooden brush. I love it. It's vegan. It comes with a whitening strip calendar. So you should start like mark. This is what it looks like. So you gotta mark where your teeth begin and then like do it consistently for every day. These are the instructions, which I pretty much know already. It comes with a charcoal toothpaste with peppermint. Let me read it for you guys. It says bamboo charcoal toothpaste removes stains and bad breath. It have a strong absorption capacity, which can remove all kinds of stain and mouth odor. What I say, whitening teeth, protecting gum and preventing tooth decay, effectively make your teeth whiter and breath fresher. I've been using it for a while. As you can see, like, it's really down. You have syringes. These are the whitening syringes. I've been using this one right here. That's why it's been down so much, and I used this bottom one before. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys how I use it, okay?
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Now I will be washing my face, so I'm still using Rock Cleanser for all skin types. For my previous video, if you haven't seen, go back and watch my video. But I didn't get in depth with that video. I feel like it was my first time, so I was just like rushing into it, so I didn't really show you guys. But it's very foamy. Like, what will be where the money reside? Where the money reside? Where the money reside? Y'all know, because it's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 23 on the 23rd. Okay, I know that's right. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. I don't know if I should like. I don't know what style I'm gonna do for my birthday, you guys. I really don't know. And you guys, people are saying that people's lashes, they do not wash their face. Well, watch me. Watch me. What am I doing? Okay. So we're also gonna run to the post office because I do have orders. I'm sorry, you guys, I already packaged it, but don't worry. Like, I'm gonna do a packaging video, a huge one. When my lip scrubs arrive, I gotta tell you guys about my lip scrub because I changed the whole thing. So I'm gonna wash this off my face, and then we're gonna do part 2 of the lip kit. I know you guys see a difference in my lip because I've been using my lip products like every day. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my face without wetting my lashes. I do this. I use the water to go up here, so I push the water up. It's gonna run down, but my lashes my lashes just gonna get wet for a little bit. See? And no soap is up there. So we're gonna brush my lashes, put the lip scrub on, and then we're really gonna do part 2 of the lips on my like teeth. So I'm gonna be using my lip scrub. So this is not the official lip scrub. This is a sample that I've been using for like February, March, April, May, about 5 months. You can see that I use it all the time, and it's all the way down. So I'm gonna wet my lips just like that, okay? I have an applicator that's coming, so I'll be using the applicator. You see how it like instantly made my lips curly? You guys, I really wanted to iron. This is like, I know it has nothing to do with the lip scrub right now, but I feel bad because I really wanted to like iron my pajama, but that's doing too much. Like that's not being authentic. Like I want to be authentic for my video. So I'm gonna be getting the applicator. I'm gonna insert the applicator here. So instead of using finger, I'm gonna do applicator. See, pink, juicy. Now, we're gonna wash. Now, we're gonna use my lip plumping / brightening lip serum. I don't know why it's not coming to me because it looks like every video. This is what it looks like. I will be changing the packaging soon. So you see, it goes on clear. And then watch. I'm gonna put just one more layer on. It's gonna take the pigment off my lip. So while this is doing that, I'm not even gonna like stop this clip. I'm just gonna continue the clip. Okay. So, see? This is the part that you bat your mouth into. I'm gonna wash it. You don't have to dry it or anything, just wash it. This is my teeth whitening serum. It comes in different powders. So I've used the first one already. We're gonna use the second one. So that means that I have to squirt it out until like this is like down. I don't know how to explain it. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put it here. You put it in the holes like that. Oh, I'm silly. Hold on. I covered it. Okay. So you put it in each little hole like this. Oh my god, I did it wrong. That's sick. Y'all, this gel, it tastes terrible. You do not want to taste it. So you put it at the top and bottom. I kind of put too much already, so I'm just gonna like put some off it to the bottom. Too much is at the top. Okay, so now it's at both bottom and top. I'm just gonna quickly like close this. We don't want to waste it. So you see this part and this part, they go together. So you have to kind of pop it in like this. Gotta pop it in. Hold on, bear with me. Okay, so I finally connected it, you guys. It took me like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna like swallow all the spit in my mouth. And you guys can see like my teeth isn't yellow or anything because I've been doing this for a while. None of it was yellow before, but because I work in the medical field, I was drinking like a lot of coffee every morning. So and in my past life, like about 5 months ago, I was doing like a lot of hookah. So it was just those things. It tastes so bad. I don't want to taste it. So no saliva is in my mouth. So I'm gonna put it in, and this has to be in my mouth for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna like do my lashes and do my I use hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary for my a part of my lip my face routine. I can't talk sometimes, so I'm gonna be putting that on because of course I'm not gonna be able to talk about this in my mouth. Okay, no saliva.
Shorty off a fence. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal.
Okay. So I rinsed it from my mouth. I'm gonna rinse it again.
How does it taste?
So it don't taste too bad because I didn't like the first time I used it, it was like running in my mouth, the gel and everything, but now I don't taste it, so I must have done something right. Since my morning routine is over, I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm outside in the